Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, January 7, Tuesday. Ang ating topic po for today is, Sino ang Angel of the Lord? And ang ating pong scripture for today is Exodus chapter 3, verse 2 to 6. Akin pong babasahin. There the angel of the Lord appeared to him in flames of fire from within a bush. Moses saw that though the bush was on fire, it did not burn up. So Moses thought, I will go over and see this strange sight, why the bush does not burn up. When the Lord saw that he had gone over to look, God called to him from within the bush, Moses, Moses. And Moses said, Here I am. Do not come any closer, God said. Take off your sandals, for the place where you are standing is holy ground. Then he said, I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. At this, Moses hid his face because he was afraid to look at God. So, explanation po dito ay si Moses daw po ay nakita si God through the angel of the Lord. So, sino daw po ba ang angel of the Lord na God? So, wala na pong iba kundi si Jesus Christ mismo. So, ang explanation po dun is, si Jesus Christ po, through the Old Testament is nagpapakita na siya. Siya po yung ginagamit ng ating Panginoon para po magpakita kay na Jacob, kay na Isaac, and also kay Abraham, and pati na rin po kay Moses. So, si Jesus Christ po sa Old Testament pa lang nagpapakita na siya, and siya po yung ginagamit ni God para po makipag-usap doon sa ating sa mga kinausap niya na characters sa Bible. And of course po, ang ating teaching naman po for today is know who Jesus is before His birth. For example na lang po, ito po nga po dito yung mga mentions ng Angel of the Lord sa Old Testament. Ibig sabihin hindi lang siya sa New Testament dahil sinabi nga po ni Jesus sa Luke, Gospel of Luke, na lahat ng libro sa Old Testament is about sa Kanya. So, know who Jesus is before His birth. So, second application po, first teaching po pala is, the angel of Lord speaks as God, kasi si Jesus Christ nga po yun. The angel of the Lord is worship. Ibig sinasamba dahil si Jesus Christ nga po, yung angel of the Lord. Third teaching is, the angel of the Lord is Christ before His birth. So, ibig sabihin si Jesus Christ nga po yung nagpapakita as angel of the Lord before His birth, before the New Testament. And first application is know who Jesus is before His birth. Na-explain ko na po. And second teaching po natin for today is study the Christocentricity of the Bible. Ibig sabihin na kapag binabasa po natin yung Bible is kailangan yung nasa utak natin, lagi natin iisipin na it is about Jesus. And lahat buong libro ng Bible is about Jesus. So, laging natin i-connect sa ating Panginoon sa Kristo para mas maintindihan natin and mas malawak yung relationship natin sa Kanya. So, third application naman po natin, last application is cultivate a Christocentric life. Ibig sabihin, kung paano natin binabasa yung Bible, ganun din i-apply natin sa buhay natin, na gawin po natin una si Jesus Christ sa ating buhay. Kaya nga po ginagawa natin sa Bible yan para sa ating buhay ay i-apply din po natin. So, ayun lang po. Sana po ay marami kayo natutunan. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, January 7. So, ayun lang po. God bless us all.